Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to do a little voiceover on the video. Hopefully this is better. So as you see right here, I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm using this from NYX. I got this in New York a few months ago. I love this thing. It has like 3 little different applicators. Alright. So next, after I do my eyebrows, I like to use a concealer. This one is from Too Faced. I believe it's in the almond color, and I like to clean my eyebrows with it. The reason I like this is because it's creamy and easy to blend. Also has very nice coverage. So I use that to clean my eyebrows. And after I'm done with cleaning my eyebrows, I like to apply it all over my eyelid to give me like a blank canvas for me to go ahead and after that apply the eyeshadow. Here's a drink that cup that I won. I love it. It says Born to Shop, Forced to Work. So yeah, this is a few little steps that I do before I go ahead and apply that eyeshadow. Now this is from Milk Cosmetics. It has like 5 different shades. I don't know the names, but I'm showing the colors from it. So we start with the lighter color and then I build it up. At least that works for me. It's so much easier in my opinion. So yeah. So I do this every morning before I go to work. And yeah, so anyway, right now what I did, I grabbed a little bit of that same concealer from Too Faced in the shade Almond, and I'm just cutting not the whole like crease. I'm doing like mid. I have very small eyes, so I have to go a little bit like bigger, but that's kind of my like semi cut crease, I would say. And then I set that because I'm keeping that color, so I'm setting it with the lightest color in that palette, and then I'm grabbing a darker color to, you know, just blend that together so you don't see like straight full line. Now I'm using this from Too Faced. Actually no, this is from e.l.f. It's a mattifying face primer. I actually really liked it. It made my skin not as shiny, and it really blended in with, you know, cover my pores. Now that foundation was a sample that I got. Unfortunately, that shade wasn't light and it was definitely too white. But yeah, I realized it was too light, so I went ahead and I blended that out, and I decided to grab a darker color, which is the medium, and I just put that where I normally would contour to make it blend in and look more natural. Alright, after that I use this new concealer from e.l.f. I really loved it. It covers well. The price was nothing but like $5. It did amazing job. However, it was a little bit too light, but the consistency and the longevity of it was very nice. So I would definitely do a darker color. I think this is like light peach. I don't know. I just grabbed whatever color and went with it. But I mean, I made it work. I was worried, I won't lie. So anyway, now I'm doing the basic eyeliner, wing liner I must say. And this is the Superhero eyeliner. I love this thing. I've been using it back to back, so I'm really running low and it's not as good as it used to be at the beginning. So it was kind of tugging a little bit. So I decided to change it up, and I'm using the Too Faced, I don't know, eyeliner. This one's good, but it's good to fill in. So that one you flip it, and then it has a cream liner, and I love that one because it has really long lasting power. So yeah, so I'm going down and just smoking out the lower lash line with the darker shade in that Milk palette. I'm just setting my under eyes. You can do this before you do the eyes, but I'm just going to work, and my makeup honestly doesn't have to be perfect. So right now I'm just setting my face with a powder, like a darker powder, and I'm adding a little blush, highlighter, you know, do the thing, make it shine. It's so pretty, smells good too. That highlighter is from Estee Lauder. Lip liner, this one's from Kylie Jenner. I don't remember the shade, but it's definitely one of my favorites. This lipstick is from Lancome, and gloss from Lancome as well. Mascara, Tarte. And that's it for now. So thanks for watching. Come again. Have a good day, y'all.